Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's practice, we will be exploring the importance of doing the things we love to do and choosing activities and hobbies that nourish us. To begin this session, take a moment to find a quiet space where you can rest comfortably for 10 minutes or so. Sitting on a cushion, the floor, or a chair, straighten your spine, soften your shoulders, and gently close your eyes. And now take a few moments just to notice what it feels like to be here. What does the air feel like against your skin? What does the earth feel like beneath you? What does it feel like to breathe? Without judging your experience as right or wrong, good or bad, simply pay attention to your direct senses. As we turn our attention towards the body, the mind often begins to soften. So take a moment now to focus your attention on one area of your body that feels neutral, eyes remaining closed. You might choose your forehead, your heart, your hands, or any other part of you that feels grounding. And then hold your attention here for a short while, allowing the breath to move into and out of this space. If the mind wanders at any point, simply note that it has left the present moment, and then quietly invite it back. Soften your attention on this one particular point of the body now, letting your awareness widen. What is it that you love to do? What activities bring you a sense of balance and contentment? This isn't always an easy question to answer, and yet it is an important question to ask ourselves. When we are not aware of the activities and hobbies that bring us a sense of peace and happiness, we miss out on opportunities to nurture ourselves, and we might end up consumed by activities that weigh us down. What nourishes us is unique to who we are. For some, low-key activities like reading, meditating, drawing, walking in the woods, or gardening are the most satisfying. Others are enlivened through more outward or action-oriented activities, such as socializing in large groups, playing a sport, or building things. Perhaps we enjoy a mix of activities, loving, for instance, both journaling and rock climbing. When we engage in activities that we truly enjoy, we tap into the gift and beauty of life. Doing things we love can bring up feelings of joy, purpose, pleasure, and positive energy, all of which are part of a rich and meaningful life. Furthermore, they can shift our attention and energy away from activities that deplete us. And the benefits of doing what we love typically don't affect just us. When we are engaged in the things that nourish us, we have more energy to share with others. Through our own commitment to doing the things we love, we inspire others to do the same. So take a moment to come back to the breath, watching as it flows into and out of the heart. Let each breath in create a sense of openness. And let each breath out help you to relax. Now, take a moment to inquire with your heart. What is it that you long for? What is it that you love to do? If you're not quite sure what you love, what is it that you'd like to learn more about? Or are there any hobbies that spark your curiosity? And now envision yourself partaking in this activity, whether it be imagining yourself meditating, gardening, swimming, or anything else that makes you feel content, peaceful, and inspired. Notice how this visualization makes your body feel. Spend just a few more moments playing with the images and ideas of the things you love, of the things that nurture you. And then slowly let the imagery fade as you come back to your breath. And into your heart space, I invite you to whisper the following affirmation. I am committed to the things that enhance my well-being. I am committed to the things that enhance my well-being. I am committed to the things that enhance my well-being. Take just a few more mindful breaths now before closing this practice. Tune into the feeling of the surface beneath you. And then slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, gently open your eyes to the world. I hope you've enjoyed today's meditation. See you again